Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of diagnosing and repairing the video connector on your Lenovo IdeaPad. Before we dive in, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Removing the battery can prevent any accidental power-ups during the repair. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the bottom cover. Be sure to keep these screws organized, as they can be different lengths. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom cover. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips or components. After removing the cover, you'll want to clean the internal components with compressed air. This can help prevent overheating and ensure a smooth operation. Now, locate the video connector. It is typically near the motherboard and may be connected to the display cable. If you notice any loose connections, gently press them back into place. If the connector itself appears damaged, it may require replacement. At this point, if you feel uncertain or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can easily reach out for assistance. To replace the video connector, carefully disconnect it from the motherboard. Make sure to observe how the original connector is aligned to ensure a proper fit for the new one. If you need help sourcing replacement parts, we can assist with that as well, and provide a quote before repair. Once you have your new connector, install it by aligning it with the motherboard and pressing down until you hear a click. Reconnect the display cable, ensuring it is snugly fitted. Reassemble your laptop by reversing the disassembly steps. Start by placing the bottom cover back on and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Finally, reinsert the battery, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Check to see if the display is functioning correctly. If you experience any issues during this process or prefer not to handle it yourself, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to deal with any calls or travel. Remember, keeping your laptop in optimal condition is essential for longevity, and regular maintenance can go a long way. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us for our professional services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.